In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enable dark mode in Notion. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to zoom in and out in Notion, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Open the Notion app on your device. Look for the Settings and Members option in the top left corner of your screen. Click on Settings and Members to access further options. Under Settings and Members, navigate to Settings. Within this section, you'll find an option named Appearance. On the right side, you'll see the current setting, usually Light. To switch to dark mode, simply click on the Light option and select Dark from the available choices. Alternatively, you can choose Use System Settings if you prefer Notion to adapt to your device's system-wide settings. Enabling dark mode can offer a more comfortable viewing experience, especially during the evening or in low-light conditions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For additional tutorials and information, visit MediaMagnetGuide.com.